Professor Bird's Reviews is coming to you. Birds Chirping Reviews, products and contests too. It's Professor Bird's Reviews.
Welcome back to another video review. Today I got a smart home wireless doorbell, and this is the package that it comes in. It took me a few minutes to figure out this when I first got it. But you open it up from this way, and then it flips over. Okay, this is, let's say, it is plastic. Of course, this is not the button here. You plug this into the house, and there's where the sound comes out of. And then inside the rest of the box, it comes with the doorbell clicker, where you put outside. You can either think you can hang it from a nail here. Might not be able to. I can't forget exactly what that right there is for. But anyway, this up. Let's see. It comes with a couple accessories, which I'm glad it come with because I did not have available on me just right. It comes with a little screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, which a lot of people will have one of these if you got a little workshop or so. But it comes with one of those too. Forget exactly where the battery goes in on this thing, but I'll figure that out. Comes with a 3M sticky pad, which this is the real deal here, 3M. So I'm glad it includes this. But you put this on the back of this, right about there, undo it, and then stick it to the wall or wherever you want it to place. And then here's the battery. This is not a AA. This is a 2. See if I can get this. 238 12-volt battery. This is an alkaline, which I will be trying to get a Duracell or a Energizer because those are the best batteries to me. But this might last a while. I don't know how well it does. But thank you. The second part of this is going to show you it working. So I hope you like this part too. Hello, this is part 2 of the smart home doorbell, and I got it hooked in here on the wall outside. There's the door, and easily you can click it and it lights up. I don't know if you can hear it, but it is very sturdy. That 3M tape does really good, and it will not move. I like how that's sturdy, so easily clicks, easily works. Now getting the battery in was just a little of a problem there for a second, but I finally got it in. What you get it in by pressing this down and then moving the top. So okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get in here and show you this other one. I have the actual ringer here in the hallway, the little short hallway we have in between the living room and the bedrooms. Just right, perfect where we can hear it when somebody hits it. So it has 36 different tones. You can press the side and it gives you different ones. We'll just go through a couple. And it also blinks, as you can see. Okay, I'm going ahead and let that end. Now, you can also, from this angle, there's another little button here. I don't know how good you can see it, right here. Let's see if I can get it to adjust here just a little bit. Either way, but there's a button right here, and that's a volume button. So you can actually make it louder, and I think I got it on the top as loud as it is, but here, we'll go ahead and show you what I mean. Low, and then it just gets higher. Okay, so as you can see, it does go for a good bit, and I'm very impressed because this thing is really loud, louder than I thought it was going to be. So I hope it ain't too loud in this camera being this close to it. Otherwise, but it is just as loud as it probably will hear on this camera. But you know, it comes out from the behind here and shoots behind, and it bounces off, which makes it, I guess, a little louder than what it is. But this is just perfect loud enough for my father, who is hard of hearing, and he can hear this, so it works out really well. So I'm impressed. So thank you, and I hope you like the review.